I'm curious your take on everything that's happening here, because looking at it through the lens of pushing ahead to China, I was talking with a colleague, and he was saying that this leveraging, this posturing with the U.S. allies could be trying to set up something even better for China. What's your take on that?
Well, I guess my most important point of view is that in the long run, if there is a trade war with China, China will win, and that's for one simple reason.
Okay, simple, short and simple there. China will win. So the Chinese government, you say, is holding all the cards here. I feel like that is a little bit much, though. Explain this, then.
I don't think they're holding all the cards, but I think that the reason that they will win in the long run is that they are disciplined, focused, and dedicated to doing what's best for their economy in the long run. And I don't think that that's what the adversary on the other side is focused on.
All right. Now, in terms of the balance here, really both sides have so much to lose. Do you think that you can say one side is going to try to blink before the other?
Well, China has already given in a lot, and I think the reason for that is, in fact, what the U.S. wants from China is very aligned with what China wants for itself on many of these issues. First of all, they've liberalized their services sector, so IT, shipping, legal, financial. They allowed, in April, U.S. car companies to come in quite freely. This week, they said that foreign investors can come in to any industry as long as it's not on a negative list, and they also lowered some tariffs. So actually, China has been moving in the direction that the U.S. wants, and I think when push comes to shove, when it comes to intellectual property, that's where we're, I think, going to see, at least over time, if not right now, China moving. My own view is that the return to theft of intellectual property is going towards zero in China, and the returns on protecting intellectual property are now rising to above zero in China. They now have intellectual property worth protecting. And we've seen this in kind of analogous cases in other countries in the past. But when you get through that curve, they then have something to protect. And I think that's where we are going to get with China.